Today, guys, we are reviewing some products that I bought from the TEMU app. If you don't know about TEMU, you've been living under a rock. The app link is in the description, and this is a great way to find great value products, just like the products I bought in this video. I'm actually buying them for my garage. As you guys know, I've been slowly doing up my garage over the past couple of years. Today, we are going to be putting some really cool products in here. So let's get straight into the video, see what I've bought, and see how good this stuff is. So first off, I thought I would get a little wheel mitt. This is something that I think a lot of people out there, especially at home, will need for their cars to get in there with the spokes of the wheels. This was just £2.39. So let's open it, see what it's like. So, bit of packaging, take that off. Right, quite spongy actually, look at that. £2. Plastic handle, microfiber spongy top. Not bad. Let's test it and we'll just see what it's like on the 7 spokes on the RS Turbo, shall we? As you can see, super easy. It's right in there. Actually fits behind my high-spec brakes as well, which is quite good. If you have a modified car, actually would work really, really well. Now, of course, I don't need to clean my car today, but as you'll see, she goes right in there. That's good. Now, next up is this emergency solar hand crank power radio. Something that I've wanted for a while, actually. Something that we can you know, take to track days, maybe have out when we're doing stuff to the cars. A radio that can pretty much do everything. So let's see what it's like. This one was £33.49. I went for a slightly more desirable spec. So this actually has a radio, which is what you want. It also came with a iPhone plug, which is really good. Another plug for charging, but you can also charge it off the solar panel on the top. As you can see there, there is a light on the other side of the solar panel. There is also a light at the front. So there we go, works straight away, literally taken out of the packet. It's actually quite loud as well, that's cool. And you can see there is a light on the front, quite a powerful light actually, one there and a two, and then all three at once. And you can also charge your phone off it, so if you open up this side, you can actually charge your phone. Now this is the reason I actually bought it, because maybe it's a cloudy day in the UK and you can't actually get any charge. Charge it like that, and then you have charge. How cool is that? And just like this product, free shipping on everything on the TEMU app. Remember, link is in the description. And there is 90 days return policy. And with that, there is also a delivery guarantee. And just like this item, there is a link in my description box to a few items that I think you guys might like. Also through the TEMU app, link is in the description. You can get yourself a £100 coupon bundle with code on screen right now. Okay, so next up in this box, let me just open it. We have some fittings, as you can see there, some spray bottles, some tops for the spray bottles. This is what I wanted. So a multi-function car detailing tool wrap with the spray bottles included. Now, I don't know about you guys, but when I'm cleaning the car, I want to make sure I can get to my stuff very, very easily. So if it's on the wall ready to go, that'd be quite a nice idea, I think. As you can see, actually really cool, that. Bottles in the top, and all of these little fixings actually hang off the side, just like that. Let's put it on the wall, shall we? Lovely. Okay, so as you'll see behind me, there's actually 2. I bought 2 because I knew I had so many, you know, just detailing products, car washing products, stuff like that. So, as you'll see, this one has brushes and stuff, but this side is the one I've just put up. All screws are in. As you can actually see, you can put stuff in the top. We'll put these fixings on here, load it up, and it'll be so much easier for me to get in and out of the garage when I'm cleaning the car, just to grab a product from these shelves. Again, this is only £15.46 from the TEMU app. Very, very good product to have in your garage, just to make life a little bit easier. Okay, let's fix the last one of these on. There we go. So all of those are on, very easy to take on and off if you wish. Do it with one hand. Clips back on. Get the bottles to put on that come with the kit for 15 quid, and the other one. And yeah, I'm really, really happy with that. It's going to make my life so much easier. So I think for, you know, the sake of 15 and a bit quid, that is well worth it. So next up, we have a 12-piece car trim removal set. I have wanted one of these for a very long time when you're doing just silly things on cars that need trim tools. Having the array of 12 is really good. This was £7.99. Let's open it and see what it's like. Right, so array of goodness in here. So you've got big one, a little end, and the bigger end. They're all actually double-ended, which is quite nice. So you've got different sizes, different sorts of trims like that. Got some of the bigger ones. You might need it one day, you never know. That one, that's quite a good one. Yeah, there is tons and tons. That's a good one. That'd be good for bumpers and stuff, you know, the clips in bumpers. And you actually have this as well, which is a metal, you guys can see it, trim bit. Just like I said about the bumpers then, this is a prime example of something that you'll actually need in the garage one day. It actually has really good entry there, look at that. Some nice action on that. So yeah, very good. Again, $7.99 for a 12-piece trim kit. It's actually good quality as well. Plastic and this one being metal on the end there. That's going to come in handy when I need to take some trims off. Okay, so next up we have a car care detailing equipment buffing and polishing machine. Now, this was £26.34, mega cheap. So let's open it and see what it's like. Now, the reason I actually bought this is headlights. Headlights and polishing a headlight is sometimes a little bit of a nightmare, if I'm quite honest. So I think something a little bit smaller that I can get in headlights, you know, especially around like the Series 1, there's a square headlight and it's quite hard to get in and out of. Ooh, look at this. Okay, so it actually comes with polishing pad. Oh, look at that. You have a screw end there, so you could actually put pretty much anything on the end of that. We'll screw this on. Oh, it's got a light on the end. Look at that. That's cool. Oh, yeah. So turn on at the bottom, just there. Hey, here we go. So you have different settings, actually, I've just noticed. Settings there, you've got a bar for how much charge we've got, so we can actually cycle through. A little bit more power, and then loads of power. Oh, and it locks on as well if you want it to. How cool is that? That is really, really cool, actually. That's cool. Right, so we'll have a go with this on the Passat. We'll have a see what it's like. This car is pretty clean, so I'm just going to go straight in with some high gloss spray that I've got and just buff it back with this. Yeah, look at that. That's really, really good. Again, this little polisher, just with that head on it that came with it, that's a really good shine considering I only went over it a couple of times. What a good little product for the money. Okay, so next up we have a 4-piece drill brush power scrubber cleaning brush. £3.79 this was. So let's open it. Got my drill out. What I actually wanted these for was for cleaning interiors. It sounds silly because scrubbing seats, like my Maserati, as you guys would have seen, it's not very nice on the seats. So scrubbing the interior is good, but if you had something to help you scrub it with, like this, it would of course make life so much easier, wouldn't it? So yeah, the idea being that if you've got leather or carpets or anything like that in your car, make life so much easier, wouldn't it? Okay, next up is something that I've been needing for a while, actually. This is a plastic razor blade scraper. What I would be using these for is getting the residue off stickers off windows and stuff. There's actually 2 scrapers and 100 blades in there for the grand total price of $6.99. $6.99, that is such good value. So let's have a look at the scraper. 2 of these in the kit. That scraper on the end, 2 of those, and a whole pack of 100 of the scraper. This. Look at all the scrapers. Nice. Okay, so next up, this is a absorbent microfiber towel. 10 of these in here for £7.42. Let's open it and see what they're like. They're quite nice, aren't they? 10 for £7. Look at this. I know you can't feel it, guys, but yeah, they're quite nice then. Nice little loop in the end as well. Look at that, just in case you want to hang her up. Again, 10 in there. Do you know what? They're so much more plush than I was expecting, especially as I've had microfibers cloths from many other companies for a lot more money. Okay, so we're going to use the microfiber cloth. Let's get rid of some of this water residue. Forwards. That's only just water on the car, but versus the patch I didn't do. How good are those microfibers? So next up we have this, which is a simple plastic model car wash high pressure water gun holder. I find myself dropping my pressure washer handle quite a lot, so it'd be nice to have it somewhere that I don't run it over and, you know, drop it on the floor and stuff. So open this up. Your handle in like that. Yeah, nice. Also comes with the fixtures and fittings. Look at that. Let's put it on and see what it's like, shall we? Okay, so quick trial fit. What I wanted to do is actually put it next to my jet wash next to the door. So, bought this off TEMU as well. How cool is that? It will be going onto my jet wash. How simple is that? Put the reel round here and have these different jets that come with these handles. Just pop them in there like that, just in case you need them. She's ready to go. Again, really, really cool product for the money. Nice and sturdy, easy to get in and out. Get all your fixings in there. So good. Okay, so next up is this. This is a professional auto repair toolkit. You can get it in various piece set. I bought a 53 piece set. The idea being that I'll just throw this in the back of the car, maybe the Series 1, just in case I'm out somewhere and I need, you know, a small tool for something. Let's open it up. Look at all the goodness in there. So you have a ton of stuff. So flexible handle, extension bar, ratchet, all the way up from 14 to 4, and then the deeper sockets at the top, the H series. That is really, really good. This is going to get me out of some sticky situations when it comes to owning old cars. Just simple little toolkits like this, I will say, is such a good idea. And at £30.49, that is well worth it. It's a lot cheaper than others that I've bought in the past, and there's a lot more variety of tools in there. Even got a universal joint there when you need that. And do you know what? It doesn't even feel cheap. That's got some weight to it. The ratchet, all of the sockets, quite nice. Look at that. Yeah, not bad at all.